How to check real battery health on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on battery. Further, tap on the battery health and charging option. Here you will see the maximum capacity option. Maximum capacity tells you how much charge your battery can hold compared to when it was new. A lower percentage means more wear. And you will also see the peak performance capability option. This tells if your battery can still support full performance or whether iOS has applied performance management, that is throttling, to prevent unexpected shutdowns. Also, you can view graphs of battery uses over the last 24 hours or last 10 days. It shows which app uses most power when screen on versus screen off uses, etc. So this is how you can check real battery health on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.